These are wild parrots, and I'm about 6 feet away from them on my patio. And I put some apple slices out, and this bird right here took it from me by hand. And I couldn't believe I got so close to this bird, and it's still letting me come close. And it's holding my apple slice in its paw or claw. And so he's letting me get so close. Crazy. And there's another one that took another apple slice right there. And I'm literally 3 feet away from this parrot now. And there's 2 more here and a whole bunch below. And this one doesn't care because it just loves that apple. Oh, he dropped his apple. So cool.